Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in Canada, if you are an exercise freak, during winter, sometimes you may find hard time to follow your exercise schedule because you might be going to a gym which is not nearby, or you need to drive but the weather is too bad. Such situations may arise. So what I have done, that I have set up a small workout area in my home. It's what I have done. This is my garage. Okay, just up to here, my car comes from all the way till the gate. But only here I have purchased this small treadmill, and it really works well. Before this, I had another one that got malfunctioned, and I threw it. But this one is working really well for past some time, and I'm oiling it regularly to maintain it. So like even with small space like this you can maintain, like if you see this width, it's not more than like 1 2 3 4 feet. It's not more than 4 feet. Height is like 7 feet up to here, and I have managed this. Luckily I get such cost reimbursed through my insurance. So yeah, this is really something that helps me and keeps me motivated. Now tell me guys, what exactly keeps you guys motivated? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.